People are curious. Will there be a chance for the witnesses, such as Las Cañas, etc., and Duterte to actually face each other before the International Criminal Court? Will there be cross-examinations? Like, ano, attorney, yung literal na makikita, mawitness natin once a trial begins?
Oo. Very basic yung right ng accused to be able to confront yung witnesses against him. So, maghaharap yan, no?
Right.
And kung titignan mo yung charges dun sa may warrant of arrest, talagang malaki doon sa ebidensya na ginamit ng prosecutor are based on the testimonies of Matubato and Las Cañas, no? Especially on the Davao years, no?
Yeah.
So, it's really inevitable na makikita sila dun sa may,
Right.
baka magmumurahan pa.
Ito ba yung attorney yung naka-enclose sila sa glass cases merong headphones para
For real-time
ma-translate?
translation?
Ganun ba yun? Am I imagining the correct scenario?
may translation talaga, especially din since si Matubato sa Las Cañas, hindi sila conversant dun sa English. In fact, si Matubato is may problem on his literacy. No?
So,
Bisaya, oo, no? So, talagang, and then nandun si President Duterte kasi merong cubicle yung witness, and then meron ding space yung accused, no? So, mag-eyeball sila doon. Matagal.
Baka magulat yung mga ICC judges sa
Mumurahan na sila ng
potential
Bisaya,
behavior nila doon.
Tapos mga Bisaya na nakakaintindi kung ano nangyayari in real time.